budgeting and allocating money for low-income individuals. In today's video, we're diving into the crucial topic of budgeting and allocating money, with a specific focus on individuals with limited income. Budgeting is not just about tracking expenses, it's a strategic tool that can empower you to take control of your finances, no matter how much you earn. However, for those with low income, budgeting becomes even more essential. Managing finances on a tight budget can be incredibly challenging. From making ends meet to saving for emergencies or future goals, every dollar counts. The importance of budgeting for individuals with limited income cannot be overstated. It's about making the most of what you have, prioritizing needs over wants, and planning for a more secure financial future. In this video, we'll explore the unique challenges faced by low-income individuals when it comes to managing their finances. We'll provide practical tips, strategies, and resources to help you navigate the complexities of budgeting on a tight budget. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed financial decisions and build a more stable financial foundation. So, let's dive in and start this journey towards financial empowerment together. Assessing income and expenses. Understanding your income sources and categorizing expenses is the foundation of effective budgeting, especially for individuals with limited income. Let's start by listing all sources of income. This may include wages from your primary job, benefits such as government assistance or child support, and any additional income from side hustles or freelance work. Knowing exactly how much money is coming in each month is crucial for creating a realistic budget. Next, categorize your expenses into essentials and non-essentials. Essentials are the basic needs that you must cover to survive, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Non-essentials, on the other hand, are the discretionary expenses like entertainment, dining out, and shopping. By prioritizing your essential expenses, you can ensure that your basic needs are met before allocating money towards non-essential items. It's also important to differentiate between fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are consistent and typically do not change month to month, such as rent or insurance payments. Variable expenses, on the other hand, fluctuate based on usage or need, like groceries, transportation, or utility bills. Understanding the difference between these types of expenses can help you better plan and adjust your budget as needed. By assessing your income and expenses in this way, you can create a budget that reflects your financial reality and helps you make informed decisions about your money. Setting financial goals. Establishing clear financial objectives is essential for guiding your budgeting decisions and prioritizing your spending, especially when working with limited income. Let's start by defining your financial goals into three categories: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Short-term goals may include building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, while medium-term goals could focus on debt repayment strategies. Long-term goals might involve saving for retirement or major life milestones. To ensure your goals are effective, it's important to make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, following the SMART criteria. For example, instead of setting a vague goal like, save money, a SMART goal would be, save $500 in an emergency fund by the end of the next 6 months. This specificity helps you track your progress and stay motivated. Prioritizing your goals based on urgency and importance is key to staying focused on your financial targets. By identifying which goals require immediate attention and which can be tackled over time, you can allocate your resources effectively and make meaningful progress towards your financial aspirations. Remember, setting clear financial goals not only helps you manage your money better but also gives you a roadmap to achieve financial stability and security in the long run. Creating a budget plan. Developing a detailed budget plan is a critical step in aligning your income with expenses and financial goals, especially when managing finances on a limited income. To start, calculate your total monthly income by adding up all sources of earnings. Once you have a clear picture of your income, allocate specific percentages to essentials and non-essentials. Essentials, such as rent, utilities, and groceries, should take priority in your budget, while non-essentials like entertainment and dining out can be allocated a smaller portion of your income. Utilizing budgeting tools like spreadsheets or apps can help you track expenses and monitor your progress towards your financial goals. These tools can provide insights into your spending habits, Identify areas where you can cut back, and ensure that you stay on track with your budgeting plan. It's important to be flexible with your budget and adjust it as needed to accommodate changes in income or unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, and financial circumstances can change, so being able to adapt your budget to meet new challenges is key to financial success. By creating a comprehensive budget plan and actively managing your finances, you can take control of your money and work towards achieving your financial aspirations. Implementing cost-cutting strategies. Identifying areas where expenses can be reduced and implementing cost-cutting measures is crucial for individuals managing finances on a limited income. One effective strategy is to reduce discretionary spending by limiting expenses on eating out, entertainment, and impulse purchases. By being mindful of where your money goes, you can free up funds to allocate towards more essential needs or savings goals. Another approach is to explore ways to save on fixed expenses. This can include negotiating bills with service providers, such as internet or phone companies, or finding cheaper alternatives for essential items like groceries or household supplies. Making small changes in these areas can add up to significant savings over time. Additionally, consider lifestyle changes that can help you save money. For example, carpooling to work or using public transportation can reduce transportation costs, while meal prepping at home can lower your food expenses. Engaging in DIY projects for home repairs or personal care can also cut down on expenses that would otherwise be spent on professional services. By implementing these cost-cutting strategies and being proactive about managing your finances, you can make the most of your limited income and work towards achieving your financial goals. Building an emergency fund. Prioritizing the creation of an emergency fund is essential for individuals managing finances on a limited income. This fund serves as a financial safety net to cover unexpected expenses and unforeseen setbacks, providing peace of mind and stability during challenging times. To start building your emergency fund, consider setting aside a small percentage of your income each month until you reach a target amount, such as $1,000 or more. Starting small and consistently contributing to the fund can help you gradually build up your reserves over time. It's important to keep your emergency fund in a separate account, ideally one that is not easily accessible for non-emergencies. This separation can help prevent the temptation to dip into the fund for non-essential expenses, ensuring that the money is available when truly needed. In the event that you need to use your emergency fund, make it a priority to replenish the amount withdrawn as soon as possible. Additionally, be prepared to adjust your target amount based on changing circumstances, such as an increase in living expenses or a decrease in income. By diligently building and maintaining an emergency fund, you can better navigate unexpected financial challenges and protect your financial well-being in the long run. Seeking additional income opportunities. Exploring ways to increase your income through side gigs, freelance work, or passive income streams can provide a valuable financial boost for individuals managing finances on a limited income. One approach is to identify skills or hobbies that can be monetized through online platforms or local services. Whether it's graphic design, writing, tutoring, or handyman services, leveraging your talents can open up new income opportunities. Allocating time outside of your primary job to pursue additional income sources is key to maximizing your earning potential. By dedicating evenings, weekends, or spare moments to side gigs or freelance work, you can generate extra income that can help supplement your primary earnings. Researching opportunities for passive income is another avenue to explore. Passive income streams, such as investing in stocks or real estate, renting out property, or affiliate marketing, can generate income with minimal ongoing effort once established. While building passive income may require upfront investment or time, the potential for long-term financial growth and stability is significant. By actively seeking additional income opportunities and diversifying your revenue streams, you can increase your financial resilience and create more opportunities for achieving your financial goals. Budgeting and effectively allocating money are crucial steps in taking control of your finances and working towards financial stability. By prioritizing essentials, setting financial goals, and creating a budget plan, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial aspirations. Building an emergency fund serves as a safety net for unexpected expenses and financial setbacks, providing a sense of security and peace of mind. By following the guidelines discussed in this video, you can take proactive steps towards improving your financial well-being and achieving your long-term goals. We encourage you to take action today by implementing the tips and strategies shared in this video. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your financial situation over time. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can empower each other to make positive changes and build a more secure financial future. Thank you for watching.